Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beard balms that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Professor Fuzzworthy's Beard Care Balm Gloss. Men love this beard balm because it's natural and organic, and cases of side effects are unlikely. It comes with a manly scent that is perfect for casual and also formal situations. Furthermore, the handy pack can last for a long time, while the simple pack makes applying easy and minimizes wastage. Unlike other types that may cause pain or irritation, this balm will relieve the sensitivity or itchiness instead. And since it doesn't contain harmful substances like parabens or sulfates, this product is safe to the user as well as the environment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Heavy Duty Beard Balm. This heavy duty balm is suitable for any type of beard, both small and large. It works pretty fast, and the effects can be felt within a short period. The balm is perfect for coarse, smooth, dry, and fine beards, and only a small amount is needed to condition the beard. Furthermore, it contains natural ingredients and has been manufactured organically for safety and optimum effect. And although it doesn't contain any artificial fragrance, this balm smells nice. Last but not least, it cleans easily and doesn't cause any irritations, rashes, reddening or dryness, and is suitable even for those with sensitive skin. At number 3, we have the Organic Beard Butter Balm Conditioner. With this balm, the days of rough, itchy or unruly beard will be forgotten. The simple-to-use product is derived from the best natural products that have been grown in the USA. Also, it has been made organically to assure you of maximum effectiveness and safety. This product not only encourages proper growth but also moisturizes the beard for the best looks. It also helps soothe any itchiness, irritation, flakiness, or dandruff. At number 2, we have the Beard Care Kit Professor Fuzzworthy Beard Care Gloss. Caring your beard is more convenient and safe with this balm from Professor Fuzzworthy. The nice-smelling and soft product easily applies to the beard and starts working in a short time. Moreover, it has a good texture that makes the application in exceptional, coarse, curly, or any other beard easy. Also, it doesn't have any side effects or adverse reactions, for instance, itchiness, dandruff, flakiness. The product can also be used by men with sensitive beards. Lastly, the Beards Care Kit is user-friendly and eco-friendly and doesn't contain any sulfates, parabens, or any other toxic compounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Beard Balm Leave-In Conditioner. This beard balm works relatively fast and will soften the beard while strengthening the hair follicles. It comes in a soft textured and smooth balm that is easy to apply on the beard. On top of that, you will notice the soothing effects almost immediately and will also help moisturize the dry skin. Users praise this balm for being user-friendly, safety, and also eco-friendly. Furthermore, it doesn't cause reactions such as reddening, dryness, itchiness, or flaky skin. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.